Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Arjuna inquired, O Krishna, what is the situation of those who do not follow the principles of Scripture, but worship according to their own imagination? Are they in goodness, in passion, or in ignorance? Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, according to the mercy of nature, acquired by the embodied soul, one's faith can be of three kinds: in goodness, in passion, or in ignorance. Now hear about this Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. O son of Bharata, according to one's existence under the various moods of nature, one evolves a particular kind of faith. The living being is said to be of a particular faith according to the moods he has acquired. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Men in the mode of goodness worship the demigods. Those in the mode of passion worship the demons, and those in the mode of ignorance worship ghosts and spirits. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Those who undergo severe austerities and penances not recommended in the scriptures, performing them out of pride and egoism, who are impelled by lust and attachment, who are foolish and who torture the material elements of the body as well as the super soul dwelling within, are to be known as demons. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Even the food each person prefers is of three kinds according to the three modes of material nature. The same is true of sacrifices, austerities, and charities. Now here of the distinctions between them. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Vallabha Madhusudanaya. Jai Jai Madhusudan Maharaj Banke Bihari ki jai ho. Puts dear to those in the mood of goodness, increase the duration of life, purify one's existence, and give strength, health, happiness, and satisfaction. Such foods are juicy, fatty, wholesome, and pleasing to the heart. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Foods that are too bitter, too sour, salty, hot, pungent, dry, and burning are dear to those in the mood of passion. Such foods cause distress, misery, and disease. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Food prepared more than 3 hours before having eaten food that is tasteless, decomposed and putrid, and food consisting of remnant and untouchable things is dear to those in the mood of darkness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Offer sacrifices, the sacrifice performed according to the direction of Scripture, as a matter of duty by those who desire to reward, is of the nature of goodness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. But the sacrifice performed for some material benefit, or for the sake of pride, O chief of the Bharatas, you should know to be in the mood of passion. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Any sacrifice performed without regard for the directions of Scripture, without distribution of prasadam, without chanting of Vedic hymns, and remunerations to the priest, and without faith is considered to be in the mood of ignorance. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Austerity of the body consists in worship of the Supreme Lord. The Brahmanas, the spiritual master, and the superiors like the father and the mother, and in cleanliness, simplicity, celibacy, and violence. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya